Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan by way of the United States. I got an email from somebody asking if I tried something, and I said I hadn't, and they wanted to send it, and that's what's in here. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Rad. Alright, so I want to thank Keijiro from Pearland, Texas. I hope I got your name right. I'm really good at not getting names right. But check this out. This is Kuraman Kumamoto, or is it Kumaman? I think it's Kumamoto Tonkatsu from Itsuki. They wanted to know if I'd tried it, and I hadn't. I've seen this everywhere for ages, and this looks like it's... I mean, everything that I've tried from Itsuki has generally been quite good. So, yeah, this guy here, Kumaman, he is the mascot of Kumamoto Prefecture in Japan, and he's well known as the ambassador of good taste and good things of Kumamoto. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. This is going to be good. And, yeah, I'll be reviewing this shortly. So, yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.